Hello and welcome to RD Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss Rafale Deal, a data science based investigation. What I'm trying to do is I have been reading a lot, listening a lot about this Rafale deal, and I am a bit curious how this could have impacted the overall sentiment on the Modi government. People had given an absolute majority to this government, and is this Rafale deal turning out to be a force for the NDA government? So I tried to use a data science approach to investigate into it, in which I tried to analyze, I tried to see what people think or what people are talking about this Rafale deal. So the noise, the hue and cry, everything against or for the slugfest that you see, the noise on the social media by the policymakers, by the administration, by the government, or maybe even the press, the journalists, or even some newspapers. The slugfest, the blame game has started, and people are accusing each other. So, what is the reality? Has it impacted the overall sentiment of the people? Are people willing to vote for the same government in the 2019 elections? Is this Rafale deal going to shake the confidence of the overall nation? I tried to investigate this, and the results were quite surprising. A small caveat over here, or a disclaimer, that I am no supporter of Modi government, and this is what the analysis reveals. A small word cloud, which was constructed by extracting 18,000 tweets. What I did, I cleaned the entire data to quite an extent, and the overall word cloud that I could create is quite a neutral. Okay, you don't find much. I have the Rafale deal, this is obvious, and then you see Rahul Gandhi, at the same time you find Modi government, and then you find again Gandhi, Indian, French, Ambani, Olan. So you can see HL deal was scrapped. Then prominently you can find Reliance Defense, UPA. So you find a very balanced word cloud which doesn't totally tilt the blame, the needle of blame towards the Modi government. So, what I can understand from this word cloud is each of them are blaming each other. So, does that give us any conclusion, or can we come to a conclusion looking at this word cloud? I don't think so. So, what I did, I tried to construct, or what I did was I tried to check the sentiment analysis. Now, this is what the sentiment, the overall sentiment that was derived from those 18,000 tweets. I just collected those words which appeared more than 50 times. So, the words which depict anger are shown here, depicting anticipation, disgust, fear, joy, and all the overall negative words. And the positive words are towards these are the positive words. Then you have sadness, surprise, and trust. So overall, surprisingly, still you find a lot of positive words. So this is really surprising that the people are not completely losing faith in this government. They are still optimistic, they have the positivity towards it. Again, you can see they have a lot of anticipation. They are waiting eagerly that something good may happen, or maybe something surprising is about to happen. And at the same time, you can see the level of trust that is being imposed in this government. So, overall, if you look at this sentiment analysis, the negative words are quite few. More or less, you find positive words and words which express trust and anticipation. So, people, I believe, are imposing faith in this government, or they are still positive. They feel this government is doing their duty, their job well. And if this is the scenario, now the government has more responsibility towards the citizens, and they should not breach. the faith that people are imposing into this government. So whatever is the situation, the prime minister has to come clean, and there shouldn't be any skeletons in the closet. So this is what I believe. Don't let the trust of the people break. Just come out, get yourself clean, and just speak out whatever is the reality about this entire noise. So I believe, or I expect, you must have liked this video. Do like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.